Please listen to what I will share. Kasi it might help you as much as it helped me achieve more time with my family. If you are working full-time, missing the quality time of your kids, your family, or friends, at minsan wala na po kayong time sa sarili, please try checking this out. I'm willing to help you, especially those who are determined to change their lives. Nagsimula po ito from my sister looking for online business. I was invited, I trusted her dahil kapatid ko. Kung kayo po ay nag-aalanganin, I assure you, totoo po ito. This business is legit. At hindi ko po isaalang-alang ang sarili kong iharap sa inyo if this will harm my profession and ruin my integrity. This is for everybody, lalo na sa kagaya ko na walang alam sa digital business. It does not require na magaling ka sa computer or wala kang alam sa computer kasi ituturo po sa inyo lahat dito. You don't need to be a tech savvy. You can have the flexibility and freedom to work anytime you want. There is a training program that will provide everything you need and will guide you all the way sa tulong po ng mentor and coach. Hindi po kayo iiwan at pababayaan. Sobrang matulungin po dito. Kaya I'm so proud of this. Kwento ko po sa inyo my personal background. Ako po ay may asawa, may isang anak. Ako po ay nagtatrabaho sa dental clinic. Ang asawa ko po ay nagtatrabaho sa dental laboratory. Parehas po kami dentist in profession. Way back 12 years ago, nabiyuda po ako. 4 years old pa lang po ang anak ko noon. Being a single mom, napakahirap po. I've been struggling so hard. But I know, God is always guiding us to keep me going. At dahil po ang asawa ko ay nagtatrabaho from 6 a.m. to 7 p.m., wala na po kaming time sa sarili. But alam niyo po, answered prayer po kami. Kasi He lead us to this amazing community. So, this is the best decision we've ever made. Ang goal ko po ay makaretire early at higit sa lahat ay magkaroon ng quality time sa family. Kung kayo po ay nakaka-relate sa kwento ko at gusto niyo pong i-check ang business na to, please give yourself a favor. And I will share to you all the informations you need. Wala namang pong mawawala if you check this out. Maraming salamat po sa pakikinig nyo. God bless and stay safe everyone.